4 options para sa mga ayaw ng VUL. Yes, VUL isn't for everyone and that's okay. Marami ang ayaw sa VUL dahil sa different fees, sa market risk, or mostly, hindi niya na-deliver yung promise ng agents. Aminin na natin. Kasi hindi ito investment. Kung isa ka sa kanila, good news. May ibang options ka pa rin para ma-protect ang sarili mo at ang family mo. Let's talk about the 4 alternatives sa VUL na pwedeng mas bagay sa'yo. Number 1, whole life insurance. Ito yung traditional life insurance na guaranteed for life ang coverage up to age 100. Fixed premium, guaranteed yung coverage, guaranteed limited yung paying period. Merong 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, or even pay up to age 65. Mas longer yung paying period, mas mura. Nakakaipon din ito ng cash value that you can withdraw for emergencies. Kaya lang when you withdraw this, just like VUL, hindi ka na insured. So simple, steady, pang long-term protection talaga up to age 100. Number 2, critical illness only plan. This plan covers you for major illnesses like cancer, stroke, or heart attack. Walang life insurance component. Pure health insurance protection lang. Limited paying period din like 10 years and 20 years to pay. Then, covered ka na sa sakit until age 100. Maganda, di ba? Number 3, term insurance. Ito ang pinaka-affordable na type of insurance. Pure insurance lang, no savings, no investment. May coverage ka lang for the period na magbabayad ka. Habang nagbabayad ka, insured ka. Kapag tumigil kang magbayad, hindi ka na insured. Parang car insurance lang. Meron dalawang klase nito, yung increasing premium every year tsaka yung fixed premium every year. Ideal for temporary needs or kapag gusto mo lang ng malaking coverage on a budget. And number 4, endowment plan. Ito yung may insurance plus guaranteed savings. Pwede mo gamitin for your kids' education, your future goals, or legacy planning, or for your retirement fund. May maturity benefit siya after a set number of years. So may makukuha kang lump sum cash kahit di namatay, let's say 20 years from now or at age 65. May mga endowment pa na may marireceive ka na cash every year or every 2 years, depende sa product. So kung ayaw mo ng VUL, don't worry. May ibang paraan pa rin para maging protected. Ang mahalaga, magsimula ka. So let's find the plan that fits your goals, budgets, and values. Comment options or message me para ma-explore natin ang best fit for you. Remember, ang tunay na plan, hindi lang yung sikat, kung hindi yung swak sa'yo.